Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日はだしパックでだしを取りながら根菜たっぷりのけんちん汁を作ります。
First, let's prepare the cognac. Tear the cognac into bite-sized pieces with your hands. Place them into a pot of water and turn on the burner. Once it begins to boil, let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes and then remove it. This parboiling process will help remove the unwanted flavor of cognac. Next, cut the aburage, thin deep-fried tofu in half lengthwise and stack them on top of each other. Cut the aburage into 1 cm width strips. Let's make kenchinjiru soup. First, add the sesame oil to a heated pot and stir-fry the ingredients. Add the carrot slices, parboiled cognac, taro, and daikon radish. Stir-fry over high heat for about 3 minutes. The carrot slices should be 2 mm thick, and the taro and daikon should be 5 mm thick. Since they are sliced thinner than usual, they cook quickly and absorb flavor well, making it more delicious. Now, add the aburage, thin deep-fried tofu, and lightly stir-fry. Then, pour in the water. These dashi packs contain coarsely ground bonito flakes, kombu seaweed, dried baby sardines, and shiitake mushrooms, allowing you to make authentic dashi stock quickly. Place the ingredients onto the dashi packs to submerge them in the broth. Cover with a lid. It will take about 4 minutes to bring it to a boil. When it begins to boil, reduce the heat to medium-low and then simmer for 10 minutes. As this is a soup dish without meat, use plenty of dashi packs to enhance its flavor. There are various types of dashi packs available, so feel free to try them to find your favorite one. Now, check if the carrot, daikon, and taro are tender by piercing them with a bamboo skewer. Taro is a great ingredient for the soup as it holds its shape well even if thinly sliced. In addition, the taro will thicken the soup and help the kenchinjiru to stay warm longer. Remove the dashi packs and lightly squeeze them. Add the soy sauce, salt, and mirin. Mix well and bring the heat to high. Wrap the tofu in a thick paper towel and let it sit for a while beforehand to remove the excess water. Gently place the tofu in the pot to prevent splashing, and break the tofu into smaller pieces with a ladle. Add the naganegi, long green onions cut into 5 mm slices diagonally. Now, the colors are more visually appealing. Cover and simmer. When the tofu is heated through and the long onions soften, it's ready. Ladle the kenchinjiru into a bowl. To prepare quickly, the ingredients are thinly sliced. This will help them absorb the flavor and make it delicious. Garnish with chopped kujo negi, a type of green onion, or spring onion leaves, and sprinkle on shichimi chili pepper to taste. The amount of water that evaporates from the broth may vary depending on the heat level and size of the pot, so adjust the amount of salt accordingly.
寒い季節は根菜たっぷりの汁物嬉しいですよね。美味しくできました。
Good luck in the kitchen!
都内にも数店舗あるという寿司とふろさんに来ています。今からランチいただきます。こちら寿司とふろ船橋店はお寿司だけでなく天ぷらやお蕎麦など多彩なメニューが楽しめるお店です。今日はお買い物に来たついでにランチで寄ってみることにしました。店内撮影快く引き受けてくれました。期待が高まりますね。店内は掘りごたつやカウンター席、そして広々としたテーブル席が用意され、ゆったりとした空間が広がっています。ショーケースの中には新鮮なお魚、棚にはお酒がずらりと並んでいます。夜には美味しいお酒と新鮮なお魚料理で時間の経つのも忘れてしまいそうです。ランチタイムのオープン直後に訪れたので一番乗りでした。隅の席でゆっくり食事を堪能できます。こちらのお得なセット、冷たいお蕎麦と本マグロ3色丼が目を引きます。お寿司屋さんですがお蕎麦にもこだわっているようです。3色のマグロ丼、赤身、中トロ、ネギトロが鮮やかに盛り付けられ食欲をそそります。卵焼きとガリ、大葉も乗っています。美味しそう。わさびをちょっと乗せてお醤油をつけて中トロをパクリ。口の中に広がる旨味にうっとり。酢飯には赤酢が使用されているのでマグロや卵焼きとの相性も抜群なんですよ。つやつやで一粒一粒が立っていますね。まろやかな味わいでとても美味しいです。こだわりを感じさせるマグロ丼です。続いて冷たいかけそばです。天かすが別皿で提供され、食べる直前に加えられる心遣いが嬉しいですね。北海道産のそば粉を特別な石臼で丁寧にひいた麺はキュッと締まっていて喉越しよく風味豊かです。一人でも気軽に入れるし大勢的でも楽しめますよ。美味しかったです。
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please consider supporting our channel through YouTube Super Thanks. Your subscriptions and likes are greatly appreciated. Take care everyone. See you.